welcome back to What's Up Tanuka. Welcome to a new video. I am back today with another weekend trip idea from Bangalore, and today's destination is Nandi Hills. But before going to Nandi Hills, I got really hungry, so I've stopped for a snack break here at Devana Halli. So let me show you the cafe that I'm going into. This is the cafe that I'm going to. This also has a bakery. I've got here some French fries. This is a paneer veg sandwich that I've got. It took some time for them to give me this, but yeah, finally. Lastly, my steaming cup of coffee is here as well. Done with the snacking, now on to our way to Nandi Hills. Guys, as we go up towards Nandi Hills, the air is getting cooler and the scenic beauty, uske बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूं, is getting so beautiful. Let me show you guys. Takes us to Nandi Hills. The turns and curves here are really sharp, so you got to be a little careful. But the roads are very beautiful. And at the side of the road as well, you can see these small hills. It's guarded this way. It's completely guarded for safety. Just look at this view. We have not reached the top yet, but this is the view. Middle of the road. This is magical. We entered from right there, and here you have the bike parking, and if you go towards a little towards the stairs where you enter from, you have your car parking right there. This is the car parking area. This is the main entrance of Nandi Hills, and we are going up the stairs. You have to take a ticket to get in. So guys, once you get up the stairs, this is the entrance of Nandi Hills. Everyone is going out now and I am entering. It's already 6:15, but they did not stop us, so I'm entering. This is, as you can see, the sunrise viewpoint. Guys, going towards the sunrise viewpoint. It's almost 6:20 right now, and as you can see, the crowd is actually going out. It's a cloudy day today. Going uphill. Let me show you the view from here. Just look at this magical view. It's so lovely, and that side it's actually airport. So the airport is right that side. Oh, it's so peaceful around here because actually the crowd is leaving and I'm entering, so it's less crowded. It's really, really beautiful, but we have to hurry, guys. Let's go, let's go. Hurry. Guys, so if you want to come to Nandi Hills, just remember it is open from 6 AM in the morning, when you can come and see the sunrise, and till 6 PM in the evening. So I think the last ticket will be given to you by 6 or maybe by 6:10, and they charge you for ticket. So we had a two-wheeler and we had 2 people, and the total price of the ticket was 70 rupees. So you have to pay here for the parking. So yeah, now let's get to the main area. Guys, right at the top there you have a temple, but I'm not going to the temple today. And this is the view. We are almost there at the sunset point. Still a little way to go, guys. So after climbing what seems like 10,000 steps, we are finally at the top from where we can see the sunset. But unfortunately it's very, very cloudy today, and I don't think we'll be getting to see the sunset. We are still going to wait because in Bangalore today the sunset would happen at 6:47. That is what it's showing on Google. So we are going to still wait and see if we can actually see the sunset, but it's very, very doubtful. Today there is like almost 20% chances only for us to see the sunset, but yeah, we'll hope for the best. So this area is completely guarded so that people do not fall off. It's completely guarded because this is quite high on top of the hill. Okay guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, so there is a place here in Nandi Hills which I completely missed when I was coming up, but while going down maybe I'll be able to show you, which is called the Tipu's Drop. So it's believed that Tipu Sultan used to throw his prisoners down from there as a form of punishment, which I think is really scary. I mean, what a time to live in at that point of time, right? So yeah, even if it was a very small offense that they did, they were thrown down from that drop, and it's quite steep. It's not like it's a little distance. It's a very, very steep throw that used to happen. So yeah, maybe when I'll go down, if there is enough light and everything, I'll show that place to you. But yeah, guys, in the distance right here, if you can see, it's raining very heavily. In this view, oh my god, it's so scary. Right, guys, this is the sunrise viewpoint from where you can see the sunrise or the sunset. And okay, so going out now. You have to be very careful when you come here because the road is not completely smooth. As you can see, there are like craters. Guys, the sky seems like it's painted orange. It's a orange hue, and right there you can see the contrast. This is completely black with rain clouds, and right here, oh. Guys, so to Nandi Hills you obviously have buses, but you also have a KSTDC package that takes you to Nandi Hills and a few other places. So you can definitely avail that if you don't have a vehicle of your own. It's very cheap. It's 300 something. I don't remember the exact price of it, but it's 300 something. So it's very, very cheap. You can definitely avail that. And I've taken a KSTDC bus ride very long ago when mom initially came with me to Bangalore. It's really, really good. They take you around places. They give you enough time to go around different places. So yeah. Okay guys, so almost out of the main area of Nandi Hills, and that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. This was a short trip to Nandi Hills, and yes, if you're new to What's Up Tanuka, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.